learn Japanese kanji with Japanese kanji expert. When you learn Japanese, you have to learn about Japanese kanji. And when you learn Japanese kanji, you have to know how to pronunciation in Japanese. In here, as you see here, we have the two style of reading for the one kanji. So actually for the Japanese kanji have two style of reading. As here we have the reading of onyomi reading and kunyomi reading. Onyomi reading is original from Chinese sound reading, and kunyomi is from Japanese original sound reading. Why? Because in the past Japanese take the kanji from China, so every kanji, almost the kanji have the Chinese reading sound. So in here for onyomi reading, we have the two sound for this kanji, nichi and jitsu. For the kunyomi reading, we have like hi, bi, ga. So every time you learn Japanese, you should know what is the sound reading or the pronunciation in kunyomi and in onyomi reading. And you have to know the meaning of the kanji. This kanji had the meaning of the sun or day. As here we have the image of the sun. So let's learn how to use the kanji together. And actually, for when you compile the kanji with another kanji, it actually use the onyomi reading, but not the same forever. So in here we will learn how to use. As here we will use this kanji like this. Dojitsu. Dojitsu. Dojitsu is mean the same day. Why? In here we have two kanji, right? We have the kanji of jitsu and the kanji of do. Jitsu is meaning that sun or day, but do is mean same, the same. So when we put together, it has the meaning that the same day. For example, you go to school with your friend the same day. So, 同日学校へ行きます。And also not like that, you have to learn more about how to use. And as you see here, we have the reading like this. 前日前日Zenjutsu is mean previous day or day before. And you here they use the onyomi reading, right? Onyomi reading have the reading that jitsu, right? So in here you see the word that is a Zenjutsu. So you cannot say Zen Nichi or Zenhi. You cannot say like this because Japanese don't say that. You have to remember that when you see the kanji like this, it have the room, the sound reading as you see above the kanji. Zenjitsu. Zen is mean before or previous. So when we put together with the day, so we can say the day before or a previous day. And you can create a sentence when you want to learn Japanese. You should learn to create a sentence too. For example, Zenjitsu, which means a previous day I met my friends at the supermarket. 前日、友達にスーパーマーケットで会った。前日、田中さんに会った。Which means the previous day I met Mr. 田中さん。翌日、 Yokujitsu is mean next day. In this word, also use the reading jitsu. Yoku is mean next, so put jitsu, that mean the next day. The next day, let's go to drink some coffee in the cafe shop. Yokujitsu, コーヒーショップに行きましょう。記念日、記念日。記念日 is mean anniversary, anniversary day or memory day. In here, if we just say 記念 is mean anniversary or memorial, but he or be is mean day. So when you put 記念日 is mean anniversary day or memorial day. If you want to say anniversary of the company, you can say 会社の記念日、会社の記念日、学校の記念日、結婚の記念日。会社の記念日 is mean anniversary of the company. Is 結婚の記念日 is mean anniversary of the married day. 学校の記念日 is mean anniversary of the school. He is mean day or days. Kyo is mean today or this day. And this sound it doesn't have in Kungyumi reading or in Ongyumi reading. This for the special sound reading. So you have to remember that it doesn't have in Ongyumi reading or Kungyumi reading. So for the special reading, sound reading, you have to remember. I see here, kyo. So when you put the kanji of ima and with the kanji of day, so we can say today or this day. For example, we can create a sentence like 今日は学校へ行かないですか？今日は学校へ行きませんか？ Don't you go to school today? Something like this. 明日is mean tomorrow. 昨日 is mean yesterday, and is also be the special sound reading. So you have to remember that when you see the kanji, it is mean yesterday. For example, yesterday when I was young. 昨日、私はまだ子供。Something like this. And thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. And don't forget, preview your kanji every day.